The 5 worst snacks for diabetics. Diabetes is a chronic condition that, when left uncontrolled, can lead to serious consequences. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune disorder that is diagnosed early in life, while type 2 diabetes is caused by poor diet and lifestyle management. When left untreated, diabetes can cause severe kidney disease, heart disease, vision loss and blindness, and loss of limbs. Certain foods are troubling for those with diabetes and should be avoided, such as 1. Soda. Beverages with high sugar content are the worst drinks for those with diabetes. Soda is loaded with sugar and carbs, which means that it causes blood sugar to spike. Studies have also linked sugary drinks with insulin resistance and the increased risk of diabetes-related conditions such as fatty liver disease. Swapping sugary beverages with drinks like unsweetened tea or mineral water will help control blood sugar and prevent other diseases. 2. Chips or fries. Potato chips and French fries are both high in carbs, which increases your risk of a blood sugar spike. Also, since these foods are usually deep-fried, they are high in unhealthy fats that increase your risk of heart disease. For those that do not want to cut potatoes out of their diet, eating a small serving of baked sweet potatoes is the best option. 3. White bread. High-carb and highly processed foods like white bread should be avoided because these foods have been shown to significantly increase blood sugar levels. They also have very little fiber, which is needed to slow the absorption of sugar and avoid blood sugar spikes. Swapping these foods with whole foods high in fiber, like whole wheat bread, is a great way to enjoy pasta and bread without spiking your blood sugar levels. 4. Sweetened cereals. While many people assume cereal is a healthy breakfast, the reality is that most cereal is highly processed, high in added sugars, and low in protein. This means that most cereals will heighten your risk of having uncontrolled blood sugar, while not being able to keep you full throughout the day. This is a bad combination for someone with diabetes. Instead of cereal, a breakfast high in protein and low in carbs should be eaten, as it will keep blood sugar in check, and will keep you full throughout the day to prevent snacking. 5. Dried fruit mixes. While fresh fruit is a great snack full of nutrients, dried fruit is not a snack good for those with diabetes. The process of drying fruit results in the fruit losing its water, and in turn losing valuable nutrients. Its sugar content also becomes more concentrated. Sticking with small servings of low-sugar fresh fruits is a good swap for those that want a sweet treat. Click the link in the description to learn how to reverse diabetes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and follow for more healthy content.